Welcome to Nina Designs, where beautiful jewelry begins. Today we're going to learn how to use these wrap crimps that we designed ourselves. They have two little balls of granulation that are going to hold your cords securely in place. In order to use them, you pick one up and you bend between the two balls of granulation on the tip, and you bend that section into a little tiny hook. And then you slip your cord through a 6mm jump ring or whatever size you want. And then you slip the hook over both sides of the cord so that you can secure it in place snugly against the jump ring. And use your pliers to pinch it close and make everything tight and secure. Then you're going to take the other end and fold it backwards over the first fold that you made, so the crimp overlaps with itself, and crimp the end as well, turn it a little bit so it makes a nice turn. And this creates a very neatly folded crimp with a little ball of granulation preventing the cord from slipping. Just trim the end, and there you have a very nicely finished end for your bracelets or your necklaces. It might take a couple tries of practice, but it's worth it to have this nice streamlined look. So have fun, and we'll see you at ninadesigns.com for more how-to projects and design ideas.